Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you all are having a great day. You read the title. Let's get into it. So we are doing my June Ipsy. I'm not even gonna say Boxycharm anymore. I mean, I get Boxycharm, but clearly this is an Ipsy. For those of you that have been getting Boxycharm for a long time and now are getting these, what are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys feel like it's better, worse, same? Are you indifferent? Whatever. I'm just curious to hear your thoughts. All right, let's get into it. The element of surprise is gone with these boxes. Like, it's whatever. It's interesting packaging. Okay, so this is from Origins, Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. Really, really thick. I'm gonna refer back to my email that they send out, which I do really like that. It saves paper because we don't get a card that tells everything. You just check your email. So it tells you basically how to use the items and then the cost. So this retails for $27. Kelp extract, wheat proteins, and tourmaline work together in this foaming cleanser to help purify and balance your skin, while mint essential oil leaves your skin feeling energized and refreshed. I could definitely smell the mint. How to use: squeeze a small amount of face wash into your palms, lather with a bit of water, and massage over your skin. Rinse thoroughly. So this product was actually picked or chosen for me. I'm okay with it. I probably wouldn't have been my first choice, but you can always use a facial cleanser, right? All right, this next item in here, this was also one of the chosen products for me from Il Maquillage. I know I've seen this brand. I think they have that crazy foundation that like covers like everything. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing. It's really heavy. It's called Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. So it's a little eyeshadow palette. It's very pretty. Packaging is very beautiful. And then oh, that's cool. It opens, it says the name right here, and then it opens a little different. I mean, that's very pretty. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of this. The packaging is very nice. This retails for $42. Let's just do a couple little swatches. Sorry Not Sorry and Scandal. Ooh, Scandal. I mean, that's fitting with everything going on with the Scandal. Are you guys up to date on that? If so, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Did you guys watch the reunion? I was a little underwhelmed. So yeah, those are really, really pretty. That one could even be a highlighter too. So I like it. Okay, so the next three I actually chose. Basically, they give you like 6 options and you choose which one you want, 5 or 6 options. And I wasn't like super duper excited about any of the products. So it's kind of like I just kind of picked the best of those that I thought. I don't know. I'm not sold on this whole new Ipsy thing. So, all right. So this first product, this is from Neogen. Dermology. Is that a word? The tape has like Japanese writing on it. Oh gosh. It's a firming serum. I'm gonna have to look up this word.
Bakuchiol. That
is not what I was gonna say. Bakuchiol?
Bakuchiol.
Says 10% phytoretinol firming booster. Helps create firm, smooth, and radiant skin. Like, I'm telling you, all these like new words that I've never heard before with these skincares. Like, are people just making them up? Pretty packaging. I like it. Yeah, it's a firming serum. So let's see what it says about this. It retails for $38. Wake up your skin with this magical elixir that features I already forgot how to say it. A natural ingredient found in plants that helps fight against pesky signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. Packed with peptides, aloe vera, leaf extract, and vitamin C, this serum helps reveal skin that's firm, smooth, and radiantly youthful. All right, cool. I need that in my life. It's pretty perfumey. If you don't like that kind of smell, like it kind of smells like rose. I'm always looking for some anti-aging stuff in my life, so yeah, it feels nice. It really just feels like an oil. Oh my gosh, yeah. This hand definitely looks more hydrated. This one's super dry right now. I'm always excited to try some anti-aging stuff. Okay, this next thing is from PYT Beauty. I'm assuming that's how you say it. Set Me Up Setting Powder, the color Light Peach. I was in need of a setting powder. I really don't have anything right now. I have a loose one and I just prefer these better because the loose ones can get so messy. Kind of excited when I saw this. It looks very, very small. I'm sure that you don't need a lot. So Oh, it's super soft. I love how setting powders feel. So yeah, that would be good to try like under my eyes after concealer. So this retails for $22. It says, looking for the perfect powder to keep your makeup in check all day long? Look no further with than this high performance formula. Enriched with skin loving hyaluronic acid, it goes on smooth and sets your look with a gorgeous matte finish. Use on top of makeup or as a base to create a flawless canvas that lasts and lasts. And if you guys have been watching me, you know that I love hyaluronic acid. It should be in everything because yeah, I need that. All right, so this last thing, I was actually really excited about this too because I needed a contour stick. I don't have one. They did actually, we got a contour palette like a few months ago, and I really do like that one, but I wanted a stick so badly. So this is the one from Fenty Beauty, the color Suede. It just says, want to slay your contour game? Whether you're an expert or just starting out, these sticks make it easy to contour like a pro. The buildable cream to powder formula is weightless and blends like a dream. So you can achieve that chiseled look without any creasing or caking. And these retail for $32. Yeah, I was excited to get this just because I don't have one. So I'm just gonna try a little bit right here. I don't know if I love that color. I feel like it's super warm, but hopefully it will be okay like once it's blended out. See what happens here. I don't know. I just get nervous that I'm gonna look orange. We will see. All right, you guys, that is everything for this month's box. Overall, I'm okay with it. I'm fine with it. Nothing super duper exciting about it. Let's see what it's worth. Okay, so it looks like this box retails for $161 and I paid $30, so not bad. Let me know what you guys got. Are you happy with it? Are you gonna stick with Boxycharm even though it's kind of switched over to Ipsy? I just want to hear your thoughts. So I hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you all on my next video.